Engaging in debates. Crafting your opening statement. Hello everyone. Today, we'll dive into one of the most crucial parts of any debate: preparing and delivering opening statements. An effective opening statement sets the tone for the entire debate, so it's vital to get it right. Let's explore how you can craft a compelling opening statement. An opening statement is the first speech given in a debate by each side. It introduces the main points and arguments that will be presented. Think of it as your chance to make a first impression and lay out your case in a clear, concise manner. Why focus on the opening statement? Here's why. 1. Sets the tone. Your opening statement determines the initial impression of your arguments. A strong start can build confidence. 2. Structures the debate. By highlighting your main points, you give the audience a roadmap of what to expect. 3. Engages the audience. A compelling opening can captivate your listeners, making them more receptive to your arguments. Preparation is key. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Identify your main points. List out the primary arguments you want to make. 2. Prioritize. Not all points are created equal. Choose the most impactful arguments to present first. 3. Be clear and concise. Avoid jargon and lengthy explanations. Remember, it's an introduction to your argument. 4. Practice makes perfect. Rehearse your statement multiple times to ensure fluency and confidence. Execution is just as essential as preparation. Here are some strategies. 1. Maintain eye contact. This builds trust and rapport with your audience. 2. Use emphasis. Highlight key points through tone, volume, and pacing. 3. Stay calm and composed. Confidence can be a persuasive tool in itself. 4. Engage with emotion. Connecting emotionally can make your arguments more memorable. There you have it. Remember, a strong opening statement is the foundation of a successful debate. With proper preparation and delivery, you'll not only present your arguments effectively but also engage and captivate your audience. We hope this video aids you in your journey of mastering debates and discussions surrounding cultural works. Until next time, happy debating!